Hi guys, welcome to my video today. I am doing a special video. This is my first collaboration with other YouTube cooking channels, and I'm really excited to be doing this one. It's organized by my friend Jim. I'm gonna put his channel in my description box, so check it out. He makes the best, most creative recipes. He's hilarious. So go check out his channel, it's wonderful. But so he wanted us all to collab together and do some nachos because today is National Nacho Day, which is wonderful because it's Sunday. The football's gonna be on. My team is not playing today, unfortunately, but that's okay. Nachos are such a perfect game day snack, wonderful for football parties. So I'm gonna make up some keto low carb nachos. I'm not going to use any chips. I'm going to use bell peppers as the chip base. And I'm going to add on all of my toppings that I like on my nachos. So I'm going to use ground turkey for my meat, my taco meat. You can use ground beef as well. Taco seasoning, shredded cheese. I'm going to dice up tomato and avocado as well. I forgot sour cream at the store, but you can add sour cream, olives, anything you'd like on top of your nachos. But this is a really fun way to have a nice healthy snack, keep it low carb, and still have some nachos. So I'm gonna get these made up for a really fun Sunday for National Nacho Day. Super excited. I'll get all this cooking. Check the description box, like I said, for Jim's channel. I'll also put everything that I used in the description box as well. If you have not been to my channel before, make sure you click subscribe so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Click the bell button next to subscribe. It'll give you a notification each time I post a new video. I have some other collaborations coming up with some other groups of YouTube cookers. So stay tuned for all these fun new videos I'm going to be doing coming up. Very exciting. But for now, I'm going to get these nachos ready to go.
All right, I have my bell peppers, and you can use any color you'd like. I wanted to use a combination. I love just having all kinds of bright colors. Looks really great on a plate. Very appetizing to have these bright green, yellow, and red bell peppers. So I'm just going to cut them off of the stem, and I'm going to kind of put them in a little bit bigger pieces so that we can put all the toppings on, about the size of a chip, because these are going to be keto nachos. So I'm going to cut them about 4 to 5 per bell pepper, and then they're ready to go. I'm going to add them on my baking mat lined cookie sheet. If you guys have been around my channel, you know how much I love sheet pan recipes, and I love this baking mat. It makes cleanup really easy, and it really saves my cookie sheet. They're hard to clean sometimes, so this baking mat makes it really great. I'm going to link this one in the description box. If you need one, this one is really great, so I'll put a link to it. It's from Amazon. They're really cheap. They're like 10, 12 bucks, and makes cleanup so easy. So I have my olive oil and a little bit of garlic powder on my bell peppers. I'm going to put these in the oven for about 15 minutes. While the bell peppers are cooking, I am going to make the taco meat. I'm using ground turkey. You can use ground beef if you'd like. So I'm just going to break it up into small pieces, and then once it's browned on all of the sides and cooked all the way through, I will add in my packet of taco seasoning mix. I'm just using just a regular taco mix. You can use a spicy one if you'd like, or mild, whatever your preference is. But I'm going to add that in. I also have a 1/4 cup of water in the pan after I drained the fat. So I'm going to mix all of this and just let the seasonings simmer with the taco meat for a couple minutes. And then when the bell peppers are done in the oven, I will add this on top. So now that the bell peppers are done, I have my taco meat. I'm going to add a little bit onto each piece of bell pepper. Like I said, each bell pepper is like my chip for the nachos. It's kind of like the base. So I'm going to add the taco meat on top of each bell pepper. You can use like a shredded chicken if you want, or any kind of meat that you want to use for a taco. These are really perfect. So I'm also going to add on my shredded cheese. I'm using a cheddar cheese, but you can use a Mexican blend as well. So I'm going to add all this back on, and I'm going to put this back into the oven. It's at 350 degrees still, and I'm going to cook these for about another 6 to 7 minutes until the cheese melts, and these will be ready for the rest of the toppings.
All right, so my bell pepper nachos are out of the oven. They're still super hot, but I'm going to remove them from my baking mat and put them onto my platter, and I'll add on the avocado and the diced tomatoes, and these will be ready to go. So yummy, so perfect for a game day appetizer. These are wonderful because it's National Nacho Day. Can't go wrong with some keto nachos. These are the best. All right, I'm gonna add on my diced tomato. You can add whatever toppings you like on your nachos, sour cream, olives. I just have tomato and avocado today, but these are so yummy, so healthy, such a great way to have some nachos with very little carbs. All right, you guys, these keto nachos are ready to go. So delicious, so perfect for a game day appetizer, perfect for football Sundays. This is so fun to make on National Nacho Day. I'm so glad that Jim invited me to do this collaboration with all of our favorite YouTube cooks. So check the description box for his channel. Check that out, give him some support. These are so good. Hope that you enjoyed this recipe. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to click subscribe and click the bell button next to subscribe so you get all of my videos coming up. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.